In chapter 2, we're told that God planted a river in the garden. And the river later parted into many heads. How many heads? 4. When does a river part into 2? Is when it meets with an obstacle. Whenever you put a barrier before a flowing river, the water must find its course, so it divides into 2. You put another barrier, it divides into 2. So the problems you are considering as obstacles were actually meant for you to diversify. The things that you say, well, I don't know, I've come to this point in ministry, in my business, I don't even know what to do. It is an inbuilt mechanism to cause you to diversify. It's now for you to increase in other dimensions. These protocols are built into nature. That whenever you meet with situations, challenges, difficulties, they are not meant for you to quit. They are meant for you to diversify. They are meant for you to increase, to enlarge yourself. So go back, just stay on this verse and see the protocol that God built into nature. God did not create trees by fiat, just giving a rule like that. He could have said, let there be trees, and there will be trees. But when those trees die, he will have to create new trees. So he built some protocol into the operation of the universe, our planet, by saying, so you see, when you want to get revelation, you have to read what he said and the way it is said. That is what gives you revelation. That's how you see. That's how you understand. You say, so then God said, you will see the protocol built into creation now. Let the earth bring forth. So God is now saying from today, I will never create any tree. It will be the responsibility of the earth. It will now be the responsibility of the earth. Do you see the reason why you can scoop sand from outside and put it here and put some water and it's still growing? Because the seed was planted by God's word onto the dry ground. And every time the dry ground is taken, and no matter where you take it to in this space, once there is water and there is sunlight and there is air, it's going to fulfill this because it was instructed to do that. That's divine protocol. God wasn't going to create any tree other than telling the earth to do the job. So he seeded a portion of his sovereignty, his creative power into the earth, making the earth responsible for an aspect of procreating or bringing something to be. Do you understand what I've said? Just like after God had made the first man and the first woman, he created order by which children can come. There was going to be one virgin birth after that. It happened 2,000 years ago. Don't come to pastor to pray for you if you are not married, to have a child. And when you get married, don't let your husband be in Abuja, in Port Harcourt, and you are in Jos. And you are saying, pray that we'll have children. There's order in which children come.